Hey Richard, how you doing? Can you open the cooler for me?
How many we got?
5 or 6.
7.
And there's Roland's Monster on top there.
7. Monster.
2-pound crappie. Alright.
Hey, Captain. Early morning. Use finger clicker. Use this finger click.
That click, that lets it out.
I know, but you use a finger or you roll it?
I roll it.
You roll it?
Yeah, to click it in. Yeah.
What's the left hand? Sorry, roll it. You fight.
Net, somebody net his fish.
Small.
Good job.
Yeah. Oh, good one. Again? Oh, oh, this good one. Monster. Another monster. Wow. What day of today? So that got back. That's busy. I know. Wow. Oh, monster. 把你逗下去了。来，你把这个拆一下。来，我帮你拆。我来搞。Sam 越挪越远，越挪越远啊！把柔软给掉下去。好了。然后你两天也不管，不起来。别急着养，等我。好。
Can you hold them up?
Sam photo.
Hang on.
Another monster.
Okay.
Big one. Hold on, slowly.
Oh. Big one.
A big one.
Net him.
Oh, monster again. 这条是 monster 啊？来看，这是收啦。
Hold him up, Roger.
Easy. 拿你的鞋子比一下。8, 10. Big fun. This fish doomed to be caught.
Okay. Nice fish. Just pull him in.
Ah! It's doomed! Your destiny! This is your destiny. Oh! Again?
I'm gonna have to bleep out the swear words. Roger be, oh bleep!
No, that's from Sam. Bad word. Check your bait.
Roland.
Hey.
You got the hang of it now.
Yes. I think today is my first day. I know how to fish. I know how to control the depths, right?
Yeah. Yeah. The last one, he was sitting there and I said, "You got a fish." He said, "What?" I said, "Set the hook." He set the hook, he was on there.
It was slower today for sure.
Started out good.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No problem, we'll fish.
You'll catch him back, huh, Roger? Thank you, guys.
It's heavy.
Thank you. Thank you. 这回家好好吹一下牛逼了，我钓了30条。Crazy! Okay.
I'll try and take your boat.
Thanks, guys.
You bet.
Thank you.
Have fun.